Whoa, now y'all know what's happening. It's your boy Duley's Customs. And today is another day at the shop. Y'all think something getting done to that motor? No. If y'all want to see, this is the old water pump. If y'all can look at it. That's the old water pump, man. Golly. The O-ring up here was gone. You can tell like this bad boy been on there for like 2 decades. That's what it seems like. Cause it looked like an OEM part, yeah. It said Nissan on there. But what's hand flight pilot? What's hand water? What's hand Vodettes? You feel me? Today is brake caliper day, cause once my car starts up and it get the braking, the brakes lock up because the old calipers are done. So that is, they look brand new. So they jacking MaxxBoogie up, and once again, the brake job was done, but now the calipers getting done. I need new struts and all kinds of shit. But I hope everybody having a good day, because I am. Even though the sun about to get ready to start busting our ass out there. My brother's already on the job. Y'all make sure y'all go follow that IG channel, man. Duley's Customs, man. Y'all can see all the pictures and videos and everything that's going on with this bad boy besides YouTube. Whew. So I'm gonna go ahead on and come back here because it's a little cooler and the wind is blowing. Now, even though they got stuff back here, man. Oh, but they is selling this truck, and I'm thinking I'm looking into buying a truck, and they want to give it to me for a good price. It runs AC and all. They just don't have no radio. I don't care about the radio. Y'all know I'm gonna put a big ass touchscreen in that bitch anyway. I done found some shit already, and Pop said he wanted to give it to me for a good price. I know it's a V8. I know it's a gas guzzler, but I need something a little bit higher. So y'all hop in that comment section and tell me what you think. Cause if not, I might grab that silver Buick right there. So it's either that or this. I already got a car. I need a truck. It just been sitting here. That bitch start up, crank up, everything. I just need a truck. And y'all know I like Nissans, also GM, but I like Nissans, so I wouldn't mind having a truck to complement the car. You feel me? And oh yeah, check out the shirt. I know it's dirty, but top level, baby. Y'all know I'm Citizen Soldier, but I also represent my boy Steve. You feel me? I rep his shit, so top level is where it's at. So I'm hoping y'all getting the message, man. I know I don't seem excited, but I am. But I'm just hot, and I have to take my high blood pressure pill, so I'm trying to keep my pressure low. You feel me? But I got my people, they working on it. As y'all know, they always give me a good deal, good price on everything. That's why I fuck with them. That's why I love them. How you doing? So I'm thinking he either want $3,000 or $4,000 for the truck. I can have that in a matter of like 2 months. You feel me? I can have $3,000 in like 2 months. And I do need a truck like a motherfucker. And I like this Nissan. It starts up, it growls. Everything, man. Like I said, I ain't too worried about the inside. That can get, little knickknacks can get fixed up, you feel me? See, it ain't got no radio, but I don't care. Like I said, I can always put a radio up in here. But yep, today, the brake calipers are getting changed. Oh, man. I ain't know the camera was that bad, but I'm sorry, people. But yeah, the brake calipers are being changed. I just had the water pump changed, as y'all seen, and I had the brakes changed. I've been doing a lot of work. I've been putting a lot of money into this car because it's a car I want to keep. Huh? Let me see what they need. You called me? Oh, shit. Do I? No, I thought... Yeah, I must have been in the ignition, yeah. Golly. I see that. How you doing? Look how old that thing is. That thing look like it been on here about 22 years.
Good. Muy bien. Very good. Muy bien. Hay varios caídas que no son iguales, ¿verdad? Nomás ese es único, todos son únicos.
Gotta have ice and water.
¿Los puede meter de otro?
But look how new these look. I know I'm taking long, but all the new parts on each one. Oh yeah. And you see that shape right there? That's that Nissan logo to let you know it's for the for MaxxBoogie specifically. But as y'all know, I put a lot of money into my cars, man. It's worth it to me, man. It's very much worth it. But y'all know I ain't gonna hold y'all too long, man. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe. Subscribe to my other channel, Duley More, and my music channel if y'all want to keep up with my music, BigDuley. And y'all check the description below, man. Make sure y'all follow me. Make sure y'all subscribe. You feel me? Hit that notification bell and that subscribe button down in the right corner. Y'all know what's happening. Y'all know the motto: take the good with the bad, the bitter with the sweet, the ups with the down. Her ass on all feet, mash on concrete. Every day remain the same. Be humble, prosper, gain. Embrace that struggle to join them future endeavors. Y'all know what's happening with me, and I'm out. Duley, huh?